Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tapaswini Job Tayari. Friends, today now going to discuss the part heads of organizations and important positions holders in India. Heads of organizations and important position holders in India. Occupation and name. Chief Justice of India Sharad Arvind Bhabbe. Chief Justice of India Sharad Arvind Bhabde. Speaker of the Lok Sabha Om Birla. Speaker of the Lok Sabha Om Birla. Attorney General of India K. Venugopal. Attorney General of India K. Venugopal. Comptroller and Auditor General of India Girish Chandra Murmu. Comptroller and Auditor General of India Girish Chandra Murmu. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora. Chief Election Commissioner. Chairman of Union Public Service Commission Arvind Saxena. Chairman of Union Public Service Commission Arvind Saxena. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. Chief Economic Advisor Krishnamurthy Subramanian. Chief Economics Advisor Krishnamurthy Subramanian. Cabinet Secretary of India Rajiv Gauba. Cabinet Secretary of India Rajiv Gauba. Foreign Secretary Harshavardhan Shringla. Foreign Secretary Harshavardhan Shringla. Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister Pramod Kumar Mishra. Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister Pramod Kumar Mishra. Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhala. Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhala. Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar. Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijay Raghavan. Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijay Raghavan. Secretary General of the Lok Sabha Snehalata Srivastava. Secretary General of the Lok Sabha Snehalata Srivastava. Secretary General of the Rajya Sabha. Secretary General of the Rajya Sabha Desh Deepak Verma. Secretary General of the Rajya Sabha Desh Deepak Verma. Chairman Railway Board Vinod Kumar Yadav. Chairman Railway Board Vinod Kumar Yadav. Chairman of National Human Rights Commission of India NHRC. National Human Rights Commission of India H.L. Dattu. Chairman of National Human Resource NHRC. Chairman of NHRC H.L. Dattu. Chairman of National Commission for Minorities Syed Gharul Hassan Rizvi. Syed Gharul Hassan Rizvi. Chairman of National Commission for Minorities Syed Gharul Hassan Rizvi. Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Katheria. Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Katheria. Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Chairman of National Commission NCCC होची जेटा कि National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Katheria. Next National Commission for Scheduled Tribe Non Kumar Sai. Scheduled Tribe ST equal to Non Kumar Sai. Scheduled Tribe Non Kumar Sai. Chairman of National Commission for Backward Classes. Next NCBC National Commission for Backward Classes Bhagwan Lal Sahni. Bhagwan Lal Sahni. Chairman of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma. Women for Rekha Sharma, backward class for Bhagwan Lal Sinhi, commission scheduled tribes for Nand Kumar Sai, scheduled caste for Ramshankar Katheria, minorities Syed Gharul Hassan Rajvi, National Human Rights Commission of India NHRC equal to LHL Dattu. Next, Chairman Central Administrative Tribunal. Chairman of Central Administrative Tribunal Justice Parmod Kahli. Administrative Tribal Justice Parmod Kahli. Chairman of Central Vigilance Commission. Chairman of Central Vigilance Commission. Vigilance Commission for Sanjay Kathari. Vigilance Commission Sanjay Kathari. Chairman Central Information Commission. Information Commission Bimal Julka. Information Commission Bimal Julka. Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India. Chairman of Atomic Energy K.N. Vyas. Atomic Energy Commission of India K.N. Vyas. Chairman of Department of Space K. Sivan. Chairman of Department of Space K. Sivan. Chairman of University Grants Commission. Grant Commission equal to D.P. Singh. Grant Commission for D.P. Singh. Chairman of Central Water Commission Narendra Kumar. Central Water Commission Narendra Kumar. Water Narendra Kumar. Director of Space Application Center. Director Space Application Center D.K. Das. Chairman of National Forest Commission. Forest Commission equal to B.N. Kirpal. B.N. Kirpal Forest Commission. Chairman of Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta. Chairman of Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta.